If you're in D2C, you probably know this brand. It's called MatchaBar, and they make some delicious matcha green tea and are absolutely crushing it. One of the big things we've been focusing on for the email marketing side of things for MatchaBar has been a replenishment reminder. So for consumables and topicals, people are gonna run out, right? It might take a week, it might take a month, it might take 3 months. But whatever that cadence is, you really need to find that sweet spot and being able to nudge people when it's time to re-up and reorder. And over time, if you have a subscription, once someone has bought from you once, and then they bought again, maybe through a reorder or a replenishment reminder as it's called, enrolling them in a subscription is super, super important. Through setting up and optimizing this replenishment reminder, as well as working on their existing automations and adding net new automations, we're able to pretty quickly get their email revenue from just flows alone to 17%, right? And then campaigns also contributed a pretty healthy margin, so that way email now consists for over 25% of their total online revenue.